Do you know you can grow thicker, longer, fuller, natural hair in the comfort of your home without breaking the bank? This video is for those that are broke or for those that are on a very tight budget and still want to get their hair thicker, fuller, and longer. All the ingredients used in formulating this simple hair care treatment are inexpensive and can be gotten in the supermarket or in the local market. So, if you're interested in what I just said, please stick around, and I'll also advise that you should watch this video from the beginning to the end to gain all the knowledge you need, okay? Because at a point I had to share how to use this treatment to get the maximum result, especially in this harmattan season or in the winter season, because the harmattan season is there to break your hair, but with this treatment, trust me, your hair is covered. So let's get this video started. The first ingredient on the list is clove. Clove is very good for promoting hair growth and clarifying your scalp. It also helps to change the hair color. Yeah, in case you are battling with gray hair, one of the ingredients you can use is clove. And if you want me to make a video of the other ingredients you can use to change your hair color, let me know in the comment section. Next ingredient I'll be putting in here is cinnamon sticks, because it helps to clarify your scalp and it also works well with clove. Yeah, so you can use your cinnamon sticks if you have it in your possession, but if not, you can skip the process. A lot of people use direct heat to boil clove. Please, I will advise you shouldn't do that. You end up killing the nutrients. Or you can boil it on a very low heat, but it's just that it's safer to do it this method. Just boil your hot water separately, pour it in a bowl with your clove and the cinnamon sticks, add in the essential oils, tea tree, lavender, and the rosemary essential oil. I also put in the vitamin E oil and let it sit for 24 hours or till the next day. After that, you can see the clove water is properly infused. Stir it up one more time and separate the clove water from the clove itself using a strainer. Then put it into your spray bottle. Please bear it in mind that clove water smells like food spice. It is a food spice, by the way, but you don't want to go everywhere smelling like food spice, right? Because we're not going to be rinsing this out. I normally leave it in my hair. Yeah, for those of you that are comfortable with that, you can go on and leave it in your hair. But if not, if you have highly sensitive scalp, then after using clove water, just cover your hair for 10 minutes, then rinse it off. So back to what I was saying, in order not to smell like food spice after using clove water, add in a little fragrance. Yeah, the fragrance I use here is the one for formulating hair care products. That's one I put into my clove water. So mix it up again one more time, then we're ready to spray this all over my scalp, all over my hair, and massage. I will advise that you should put your hair in a protective hairstyle, please, because if you don't put your hair in a protective hairstyle, your hair is going to break, especially in this harmattan season. Your hair will break a lot. The harmattan season is not there to make your hair stay hydrated. It's going to give you opposite, which is dryness and hair breakage. So you need to keep your hair hydrated all the time, and make sure you are also using the other products such as leave-in conditioners, hair butters. Yeah, a lot of people make the mistake of using only clove water and leave their hair like that. Your hair will break. In as much as clove promotes hair growth, clove will also break your hair if you don't use it the proper way. That is why I'm using the leave-in conditioner immediately after using clove. Yeah, because clove has eugenol in it, which promotes hair growth, but at the same time causes hair breakage if not used properly. So please, do not make the mistake of leaving your hair like that after spraying clove water and you're not backing it up with products. These Ayurvedic herbs work, but you have to understand that they can't work without hair care products. So just get your leave-in conditioner and use it, okay? When I'm done with the leave-in conditioner, next thing is to seal in the moisture using the clove hair growth oil. Please check the link in the description box to see how I formulated the clove hair growth oil, and I'm very sure it's something you can make, because I try to make it to be so cheap and affordable, something that everyone can make, unless you just don't want to give it a try. Yeah, so after applying this all over my scalp, I'll also apply it on my hair, then massage my scalp very well. Scalp massage is very, very important. A lot of people don't do this, and even without using oil, you can still massage your scalp and get good results. You have to use this clove water twice in a week. Please don't use it every day. I repeat, whether you have sensitive scalp, normal hair, use clove water twice in a week, okay, or highest 3 times in a week. Don't use it more than that. If not, you are causing harm to your hair. Clove will leave your hair dry and it will cause a lot of breakage. Remember, dryness equals to hair breakage. So do your research, go on the internet, go on Google and make proper research about clove before making use of it. I'm sharing it here because it has worked for me and I know it worked for a lot of people. So clove is one of that simple ingredients you can use to promote hair growth and give you healthy scalp. And in case you have dandruff, itchy scalp, it's also very good. That is why I added cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon sticks on its own is very good for clarifying your scalp, and the clove helps to also change your hair color. In case you have been wanting to change your hair color to brown, yeah, there are other remedies that can also help to change your hair color, especially those that have gray hair. So I mentioned earlier that you should let me know in the comment section, just in case you want to see videos of that coming up later. But for now, we have to finish this clove series. So the next video coming up will be how to make clove hair growth butter. Yeah, that's the next video coming up very soon. We're almost done with the editing, so stick around. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss the video when I upload it. And of course guys, the hair growth and length retention challenge is still going on. That is why I always say you should put your hair in a protective hairstyle. This is one of the best ways you can retain length, especially in this harmattan season. The hair growth and length retention challenge is for people that have natural and relaxed hair. The two hair textures are involved. It's not just for natural hair. So when you're done, always make sure to pack your hair and tuck in the tips of your hair, because they can easily break, especially when we rub it on a very harsh surface. Okay, that is it for how to use clove water the proper way. Next is how to preserve clove water when you have it remaining. So I love to put mine in an airtight container, lock it up and put it in the refrigerator, and this can last for 2 months. But I'll advise that you should make the quantity that can last you for a month so that it will still stay fresh. So guys, that is it for today's video. Please do well to like, comment, subscribe and turn on notification bell. Share the video to your loved ones. See you later. Bye. Thanks for watching.